Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Seren Leone, and in today's video I'm going to show you my everyday makeup look. I'm getting started with the Pro Filter Hydrating Primer from Fenty Beauty. It's $32 and it's one of my favorite primers. Next, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. I'm in the shade 420 and this was 35 bucks. I'm blending it in with my Precision Makeup Sponge 100 and this was $16. You can use this sponge whether it's damp or dry. The Precision Makeup Sponge has 3 sides to it, so you're going to see me blending with this a lot. It's one of my favorite things to blend with, so I definitely think it's a great investment. Next, I'm using the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. I'm in the shade 385 and this was $26. This concealer is a liquid matte full coverage formula and I love it. It's one of my favorite concealers. Now I'm just moving the concealer around, warming up the product on my skin and letting it dry down at the same time. It's a good idea to let this concealer kind of dry down before you completely set it. So that's why I'm not in a rush as I'm giving my face the shape that I want it to have. It's funny because my everyday glam look or my everyday go-to look is basically a full Fenty face. So enjoy the full Fenty face, beauties. So ladies, down in the comments, let me know if you use Fenty Beauty yet or what brand you're using for your everyday routine. Now I'm going to take my Precision sponge so I can really melt the product into my skin and give me a flawless look. I know in previous videos I talked about using real brushes, but for my everyday makeup routine, using the Beauty Blender is just so effortless and so simple and quick. I have to use my Beauty Blender or my Precision sponge when I'm blending down for my everyday routine. Next, I'm going to use my matte skin stick in the shade Espresso. This was $25. I love using this product for contouring because it can get so precise, especially on my nose, and for my cheeks it really blends out beautifully with my Precision sponge. I have been using this product to contour for a while. I was using Truffle before, but it just wasn't dark enough for me, so I moved on to Espresso, and I learned that a little goes a long way with this matchstick, so you don't have to overdo it when it comes to contouring. As you can see, my blender is blending everything on my face down so smoothly and giving me the look that I love, especially for my everyday go-to look. It looks so natural. Next, I'm using the Sun Stalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in the shade Mocha Mommy. This was $30. Moving right along to my Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Hazelnut. This was $32. And I love this setting powder, by the way, no flashback ever. As you can see, my brows are already done. I did them using the soap method. You can check out the video here if you want to see how I did that. But in this video, I'm just going over them again with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4, which is Warm Deep Brown. So off camera, I went and applied my lashes, my rum highlighter, eyeliner, lip liner, and my gloss bomb to come up with my final look. Ladies, this is my everyday go-to makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video.